Hello and welcome to Treatment Pad 1.4.0. In this episode, we're introducing a new settings filter. When you select on that, as you can see, you can now filter by portrait, facing left, facing right, and all photographs. So I'll select portrait, and just like that, the algorithm is going to start running in the background and highlighting all the images where your patients are facing forward. So now I can easily see the photographs which are matching my specification. Maybe these two are better. And I can even press settings again and filter facing left only. So let me select some good ones on the right there. Bit cross-faced and cross-faced again. You can see the patient's trying to frown. And one press of the button, instantly aligned, beautifully matched, ready for sharing on social media. So press that share button there. Add a blur, a bit of confidentiality to the patient's photographs. Save, and we're done. Just like that, we've created a beautiful collage in a couple of seconds, easily done. So that was Treatment Pad 1.4.0. Face orientation filtering is now ready and live. In the next version, we're going to be expanding on this functionality and introducing video animations, so stay tuned for that. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below and subscribe for more exciting updates from Treatment Pad, your application for instant before and after photography.